Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, and joining me as always is financial expert Eli Sterling. Good to have you back, Eli.
Thanks for having me, Maya. We've got quite a bit moving across markets today, from Bitcoin breaking key levels to some big picture macro trends shaping up.
Let's dive in. One of the biggest stories comes from the crypto space. According to a recent analysis by @CTO Larson on YouTube, Bitcoin is approaching a critical level at $113,500, with a potential breakout forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. What does that mean for traders watching this level?
Well, Maya, that kind of pattern usually signals a bullish reversal, especially when volume supports it. If BTC breaks above 113,500, it could open the door for a test of 120,000 or even higher. But let's not get ahead of ourselves just yet.
Right, because there are also mixed signals out there. Speaking of which, our buy-hold-sell indicator for BTC USDT on the 4-hour chart is showing something interesting, a gold signal for 2 consecutive periods. Can you walk us through what that means?
Absolutely. A gold signal here isn't your typical buy or sell. It's what we call a special condition. It shows that short-term momentum, V1, and longer-term trend lines, V2, are aligning in a way that often precedes either a strong reversal or a major directional move. In this case, V1 sits around 111,456 and V2 at 111,228. So we're looking at a very tight window where things can shift quickly.
So if you're trading Bitcoin right now, would you say this is a time to hold, wait for confirmation, or maybe enter cautiously?
I'd lean toward caution with a plan. This setup looks promising, but until we see clean follow-through beyond resistance, it's better to manage risk tightly. For those looking to trade, placing stops below $110,000 makes sense, especially given how volatile BTC can be near these pivotal zones.
Beyond Bitcoin, other assets like Ethereum, Solana, and XRP were also mentioned in that same video. How do they fit into the broader picture?
Ether seems to be consolidating between 0.0385 and 0.0414 against BTC, which tells me traders are waiting for direction before making big moves. SOL and XRP are likely following suit, reacting more to Bitcoin's leadership than any internal catalysts.
Switching gears to traditional markets, gold was referenced as well. With inflation fears simmering and Fed rate cut expectations building, is this a good time to look at metals?
Definitely worth watching. Gold has historically thrived during uncertainty, and with growing concerns over debt levels and global economic shifts, it might soon reclaim its role as a safe haven asset. That said, timing matters. Look for dips rather than chasing prices at current highs.
Before we wrap up, any final thoughts on what investors should keep an eye on tomorrow?
Keep eyes on the 113K Bitcoin level. Watch for volume spikes and monitor treasury yields closely. They'll influence both stocks and crypto sentiment. Also, stay tuned to developments involving companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy, who continue to play outsized roles in institutional adoption.
Great insight, Eli. Thanks again for breaking it all down for us. And thank you for tuning in. You can catch more updates throughout the week right here. Until next time.